don't seem right. Decipher through mine eyes real quick. Days and grace, chains and vein lanes, fading generations. I spot cycles of love. Try care for symptoms, but forget about nature. Forget about systems, forget about sisters, forget about wisdom. This is the same lament that has rung in time since forever. Kinda feel like a ring that you cannot pull off yourself. Kinda feel like a pressure impacting your mental health. Kinda like suffering that cannot be relieved by wealth. Sorry if you cannot tell, but I am tired of this mess, of this flesh, of this. These are tears mankind has cried since forever. Fresh rain fall down on my shoulder. Wash pain from my brow. I'm over it. I'm over it. This mortal flesh. I'm over it. This mortal. Wash